Morning! Welcome back to our channel. Goal on Machinery. Ever seen how a ridge cap is made? It's the top cover that seals the roof perfectly. Let's check it out. This roll forming machine uses a standard wall panel frame with a chain driving system, more than enough for producing ridge caps from 0.3 to 0.7 millimeter steel sheets. With its simple structure and reliable performance, it's a cost-effective choice for roofing construction teams looking to invest in their own production line. The production starts from the decoiler, then goes through the guider to keep the steel centered. That's how we make every ridge cap straight and precise. On both sides of the line, there are punching and notching units. These notches are designed to match the shape of trapezoidal roof panels, preventing dust, rain, and insects from getting in. The notch shape can be customized, and the spacing can be set directly on the PLC control screen. Far more efficient than cutting each piece manually on site. This line also folds the edges of the ridge cap, reducing sharpness to protect workers. The folded edges keep rain from reaching raw steel, adding an extra layer of galvanized or color-coded protection. After edge folding, the ridge cap goes through precise roll-forming passes to achieve its final shape. The forming rollers are carefully aligned to ensure smooth curves and consistent dimensions along the entire length. Cutting is done by a hydraulic system that stops automatically after each piece, providing clean and accurate cuts. All main parameters, like length, quantity, and cutting mode, can be set through the PLC touchscreen, making the whole line easy to operate and highly efficient for continuous production. The entire ridge cap line is controlled through this smart PLC touchscreen. Here, operators can easily set product length, batch quantity, and cutting mode with just a few taps. The system also stores multiple production recipes, so switching between different ridge cap sizes takes only seconds. Real-time data on speed, material feed, and forming status are displayed clearly on the screen, allowing full control over every step of the process. Once everything's set, just press start, and the machine runs automatically with perfect synchronization between punching, forming, and cutting. Simple, precise, and designed for everyday efficiency.